To get started, draw a simple wall segment. Next, double-click the wall segment. To apply texture on the side, select Texture option and click this button here. Go to the search bar and type Wall Tiles. Choose a tile texture, and in this section here, you can change its scale and its orientation. After the changes, just click OK twice. A useful trick to get an exact tile size is to use a dimension line. As the first step, draw a dimension line with the exact width of your tiles. Double-click the dimension line, and in this dialog box, enable visibility in 3D view and change its label orientation from horizontal to vertical. Then click OK. After that, move the dimension line so it placed directly against the wall surface, ideally centered on the wall. From here, just adjust the texture scale until the tiles match the reference size. Besides the base wall tile textures, you can also import new wall tiles from Sweet Home 3D texture libraries. Just go to sweethome3d.com and download the official texture libraries. To import them, go to the top menu, select Furniture, Import Texture Libraries, browse for the files, select them, and import into the software. You can also import many great wall tile textures from external sources. To import this texture into the software, go to Furniture, select Import Texture, click Choose Image, browse for the file and select it, then click Open. Here, click Reduce Size, then keep clicking Continue. Finally, click Finish. To locate and apply this texture on your wall, just double-click the wall, Texture, click this button, search for Tiles, select the new texture, and click OK twice. Besides tiles, you can also apply paint to your walls. Just double-click the wall again, and here you can apply a solid color or even a paint texture to your wall. Search for wall, select the material from the list, then click OK twice.